G'day, my name is James Kerr and I'm with Red Roo Sales and Service, and we're just outside of Hillsville, Victoria. Today's job was to grind over 40 stumps, both hardwood and softwood. Today's job, we've been using 3 machines. 2 are the SP7015 4x4s, and 1 is the SP8018 dedicated track machine. All 3 machines today have been operated with wireless remotes. These devices are excellent for keeping you out of the dirt, dust, and debris. If you're in the market for a commercial grinder, I would highly encourage you to try one of these devices. So today's job has been to grind these stumps to anywhere from 15 to 18 inches below depth. We've done about 35 stumps so far. They're large diameter stumps. They're softwood and hardwood in this area. And we have about 15 more stumps to go to finish the job. On the job today, we've been using the SP8018 dedicated track stump grinder, and we've been using the SP7015 4x4. Both units are wireless remote controlled, keeping the operator out of the dust, dirt, and debris. I'll tell you right now, if I didn't have the wireless controller today, I would be a lot dirtier than I am right now. We'd like to thank Peter from Mr. Stumpy Tree Services today for the opportunity to come out and show him what Red Roo can do. Peter, thank you very much.
And thanks for coming up here today. And anyone wants any information, go to mrstumpy.com.au.
Or if you'd like any additional information on Red Roo stump grinders, please visit us at redroo.com. I'd like to thank Fern Earth Moving Contractors today for the opportunity to show what these machines can do. If you'd like any additional information on Red Roo stump grinders, please visit our website at redroo.com.